So, hi friends, once again a warm welcome to my another video. Before I start, I would like to pay my thanks to each and everyone who had subscribed me my previous channel. Your love, your support has given me full energy. So thank you very much for your support. Now, let us begin our today's topic. Today we will discuss some general things, the language, English language, what we learn in the school and what we talk in the common market. There is a quite difference between these two. In school, see, whatever it is, whether it is in school language, whether it is in practical language, everything what we talk, all assimilated into three ways. Either it is present tense, or past tense, or future tense. Everything, whatever the tense may be, but most important thing is verb. Because the verb decides whether the particular sentence is in past tense or present tense or whatever it is. The main important is verb. You see, in school, we learn three types of verbs: present tense, present, past, and participle. Past participle. Present, past, and past participle. For example, V1 is present, write. What is V2? Past tense of write, wrote. And past participle, that is V3, written. WRITTEN. See, generally we learn in school. But while we talk, what happens? There are 5 types of verbs. There are V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. What is V4? See, V1, whatever the word V1, simply write ing. That means if it is write, so V4 will be writing, WRITING. And what is V5? The fifth form of verb will be just simply add S. Write will become writes, WRITS, writes. Okay. Now, eat, ate, eaten, eating, eats. Now, what is the difference between V1 and V2? You see, while we talk, while we make any sentence, so there is a basic difference between the sentences between Hindi and English. Whatever it is, we'll just go for structure. What is the structure of a simple sentence? In Hindi, the structure will be first subject, object and verb. Subject, object and verb. I'm just talking in Hindi. राम खाना खाता है, मैं गाड़ी चलाता हूं. But if this same Ram khana khata hai, if we want to translate this sentence into English, what will be the structure then? The structure will be subject plus verb plus object. Ram khana khata hai. So what is subject? Ram. Now verb. What is verb here? Khana. So in English we will write eats. And what? Food. See, Ram khana khata hai, Ram eats food. So the basic difference between Hindi, the sentence, the structure of Hindi and structure of in English. Now, V5. This verb is V5. Now, I. If a same sentence, if I want to make instead of Ram, if I use I, then what I have to write? I eat food. See, meaning is same. Then here we have used V1 and here we have used V5. You eat food. So remember, if subject, I, you, we, they. If the subjects are either I, you, we, they, then we have to use V1. I eat food, you eat food, I write a letter, you write a letter, we write a letter, they write a letter. Now, if the subject is suppose he, she, it, or any noun name, Ram, Sham, Mohan, any name. If the subject starts with he, she, it, or any name, my father, my mother, then we have to use V5. I eat food, he eats food. You write a letter, she writes a letter. So, if the subject is he, she, it, or any name, Ram, Sham, Mohan, Sita, Gita, my father, my friend, if they are, then you have to put eats in the form of, suppose V5, not it's V5. If the sentence starts with I, you, we, they, then you have to simply use it. So you can make more sentences like this. So this is some basic things, where to use V1 and where to use V5.